AI prompt engineering, the new communication skill. Imagine this. You have an employee who works for you 24/7, never gets tired, and is an expert in almost every field. But here's the catch. This employee only performs as well as the instructions you give. That employee is AI. And the ability to give it clear, powerful instructions is what we call prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art and science of guiding AI to produce the best, most customized results. Right now, the people who are mastering prompts are creating magic with AI. And tomorrow, they'll have one of the biggest competitive advantages in the marketplace. Think about it. If you type a vague prompt like, "Write about marketing," the AI will give you a generic, boring response. But if you say, "Act as a senior digital marketer with 10 years of experience and create a step-by-step social media campaign for a fashion brand targeting Gen Z with Instagram Reels ideas and TikTok trends," suddenly you get a practical, actionable plan. That's the difference between an average user and a prompt engineer. Prompt engineering is a new communication skill. In the past, people became successful by mastering languages like English or Mandarin. Today, there's a new digital language, the language of prompts, and whoever learns it will move far ahead of their competition. But how does this skill actually make you money? The answer is simple. Every industry is being disrupted by AI. Business owners need AI to generate persuasive marketing copy. Content creators need scripts, thumbnails, and video ideas. Startups need investor pitch decks. Freelancers need to deliver faster and better work. And if you know how to write prompts, you can serve all of them. On Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn, AI prompt experts are already becoming a high-demand role. Let me give you an example. Imagine a client comes to you and says, "I need product descriptions for my e-commerce brand that actually convert." If you're skilled at prompt engineering, you could tell AI, "Act as a conversion copywriter. Write 5 product descriptions for eco-friendly water bottles. Each description should highlight benefits, emotional triggers, and end with a call to action. Keep the tone energetic and persuasive." Now, instead of a bland description, AI gives you high-converting copy your client will love, and you can charge premium rates for it. But prompt engineering isn't just for freelancing. If you're an entrepreneur, you can use it to build investor decks, create marketing strategies, design SOP, even draft contracts. With the right prompts, AI becomes your business partner. Here's the truth. People who treat AI as a toy will get left behind. But people who treat it as a tool and learn to master prompts will multiply their income, their impact, and their opportunities. Prompt engineering is both an art and a science. It's an art because you need creativity to phrase your ideas clearly. It's a science because proven formulas exist, like role-based prompts, act as a lawyer, doctor, or business coach. Step-based prompts, give me a 5-step framework to achieve X. Persona-based prompts, answer like Steve Jobs or Elon Musk. When you learn these methods, AI becomes your most powerful partner. So, if you want to be rich in 2025, the very first skill to master is prompt engineering. The more you practice, the more leverage you'll get from AI. Remember this. In the future, wealth will belong to those who can guide AI, shape its output, and unlock value that others can't. Prompt engineering isn't optional, it's the new literacy. AI automation and workflow design. Let me ask you a simple question. Are you working hard? Or is your system working hard for you? Because in 2025, the people who get rich will not be the ones doing more work. They will be the ones who build systems powered by AI to do the work for them. This is where AI automation and workflow design comes in. AI automation means using artificial intelligence to handle repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Things like scheduling, email replies, data entry, customer service, and even parts of marketing and sales. Workflow design means connecting these automations into a smooth system so that your business runs like a machine, even while you sleep. Let me give you an example. Imagine you run an online coaching business. Normally, you'd spend hours answering emails, booking calls, sending reminders, writing follow-ups, and managing invoices. But with AI automation, here's what happens. An AI chatbot instantly answers client questions. An AI calendar tool automatically books and confirms meetings. AI writes a personalized follow-up email right after the call. AI handles invoices, payment reminders, and even generates reports. What does that mean for you? You save hours every single day, and those hours can now be used for high-value activities like creating better products, building relationships, or scaling your business. Here's the key. Automation is leverage. The richest people don't do everything themselves. They create systems that do the work for them. AI is simply the most advanced system humanity has ever built. Think about it. Every entrepreneur, freelancer, and professional has two kinds of tasks. 1. Low-value tasks, repetitive, boring, necessary but not growth-focused. 2. High-value tasks, strategy, vision, creativity, relationships. If you're stuck doing low-value tasks all day, you'll never grow. But when AI takes over those tasks, suddenly, you're free to focus on the high-value ones, the ones that actually generate wealth. Let's look at a real-world scenario. Say you're a digital marketer. Without automation, you spend hours pulling reports, tracking leads, testing ads, and writing emails. With AI automation, you can use AI to generate ad copy variations in seconds. Set up AI to analyze campaign performance automatically. Have AI tools recommend next actions to improve ROI. Instead of spending hours, you get insights instantly, and you spend your time implementing strategies that drive revenue. Another powerful area is workflow design. Automation alone is good, but workflow design connects everything. Imagine you design a system like this. A potential customer sees your ad. AI chatbot engages them instantly. AI qualifies them as a hot lead. AI books a sales call in your calendar. AI sends a personalized reminder before the call. After the call, AI writes a thank you email and updates your CRM. This is not science fiction. It's happening right now. And the people who know how to design workflows like this will build businesses that practically run themselves. Now here's the important part. Automation doesn't replace you. It frees you. It's not about doing less work. It's about doing better work. It's about moving from being an operator to becoming an architect of your business. The future of wealth belongs to people who ask, how can I automate this? Every single day. Because the truth is, if you're doing tasks that AI can handle, you're wasting your most precious resource, time. So if you want to be rich in 2025, master AI automation and workflow design. Start small. Automate your calendar, your emails, your social media posts. Then go bigger. Connect tools, build systems, and design workflows that save you hundreds of hours a year. Remember, money doesn't come to people who work the hardest. It comes to people who work the smartest, who leverage tools, and who build systems that multiply their output. And in today's world, the smartest system you can build is powered by AI. to literacy and AI analytics, we live in a world where data is the new gold. Every click, every purchase, every search, every scroll, it's all generating data. But here's the truth. Raw data by itself is useless. The real wealth goes to the people who know how to read data, interpret it, and use AI analytics to turn it into decisions that make money. This is what we call data literacy and AI analytics. Now, let's break this down. Data literacy means having the ability to understand, question, and use data effectively. It doesn't mean you have to become a mathematician or a statistician. It simply means knowing how to ask the right questions and interpret the answers that AI tools give you. For example, imagine you run an e-commerce store. Your AI tool shows you that 80% of your revenue is coming from just 20% of your products. If you're data literate, you don't just look at the numbers, you take action. You double down on promoting those top-performing products, and you cut down on wasting time and money on the ones that don't sell. That decision, powered by AI analytics, directly increases your profits. Now think about marketing. Traditional marketers used to guess what might work. Today, AI tools can analyze millions of data points, like customer behavior, purchase history, and social media engagement, and tell you exactly what your customers want, when they want it, and how to reach them. But here's the catch. If you don't understand data, the AI can show you insights, and you'll still miss the opportunity. It's like having a map, but not knowing how to read it. Let me give you another example. Imagine you're a content creator on YouTube. AI analytics tools can tell you which of your videos hold the audience's attention, at what point in the video people drop off, what topics are trending in your niche. If you're data literate, you'll adjust your content, improve your retention, and grow your channel faster than creators who are just posting and hoping. Here's the big picture. Data literacy turns guesswork into strategy. It helps you move from decisions based on feelings to decisions based on facts. And in business, decisions based on facts always win. AI takes this even further. In the past, you needed entire teams of analysts to understand data. Today, AI does the heavy lifting for you. AI analytics platforms can clean messy data, find hidden patterns, predict trends, and even recommend the next best action. For instance, a restaurant owner can use AI to predict busy hours and optimize staff scheduling. A fitness app can use AI to track user behavior and recommend personalized workout plans. An investor can use AI analytics to detect early market shifts and make smarter investment decisions. This is not about becoming a data scientist. It's about learning how to work with AI tools that already exist and knowing how to interpret their output. Here's the key mindset shift. In 2025 and beyond, the richest people will not be those who collect the most data. The richest people will be those who understand and act on it. So, how do you develop data literacy? Start small. Learn the basics of reading charts, percentages, and trends. Use AI-powered dashboards in tools like Google Analytics, Power BI, or even AI features built into platforms like Shopify or YouTube Studio. Ask simple questions like, what's working well right now? What's underperforming? What actions should I take based on this data? When you make this a habit, you'll stop making blind decisions. Every move you make will be guided by insights, and that is how businesses grow exponentially. Remember, in the old world, power belonged to those who had information. In the new world, power belongs to those who can interpret information. And AI is your partner in doing exactly that. So, if you want to be rich in 2025, learn how to read data. Use AI analytics to find patterns and make bold, data-driven decisions. Because the future belongs to the people who can turn numbers into knowledge and knowledge into wealth. AI-enhanced content creation in today's world. Content is everything. Content builds audiences, content builds trust, and ultimately, content builds wealth. But here's the challenge. Creating high-quality content consistently takes time, energy, and creativity. And that's where AI-enhanced content creation becomes a game changer. What does this mean? It means using AI tools to help you plan, produce, and polish content faster than ever before, without losing authenticity or creativity. Let's start with the basics. Think about how much content you consume every day. Videos, blogs, podcasts, Instagram posts, TikToks, tweets. The people who create that content are the ones getting attention. And in business, attention equals money. Now imagine being able to create 10 times more content at higher quality in less time. That's the power of AI. For example, if you're a YouTuber, AI can help you generate video ideas based on trending topics in your niche. Write engaging scripts that hook viewers from the first 10 seconds. Suggest titles and thumbnails that maximize clicks. Even edit your raw footage automatically with captions, transitions, and highlights. If you're a writer, AI can help you draft blog posts, articles, and newsletters in minutes. Improve grammar, clarity, and style instantly. Translate your content into multiple languages to reach a global audience. And if you're a social media creator, AI can schedule and post your content at the best times. Repurpose long-form content into short-form snippets. Analyze what's working and recommend improvements. The key here is not that AI replaces creators. It empowers them. Think about it this way. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, the repetitive parts of creation, so you can focus on what really matters. Your voice, your vision, and your message. Let's take a real example. Suppose you're a fitness coach who wants to grow on Instagram and YouTube. Without AI, you'd spend hours brainstorming content, writing captions, editing videos, and designing graphics. With AI, you could ask ChatGPT to generate 50 content ideas tailored for fitness beginners. Use AI design tools like Canva with AI features to instantly create posts and reels. Use AI video tools to automatically edit workout clips, add subtitles, and make them engaging. Repurpose one YouTube video into 10 Instagram reels, 5 tweets, and an email newsletter without hiring a full team. That's what we mean by AI-enhanced content creation. It doesn't just save time, it multiplies your output. Now, here's where the wealth opportunity comes in. Businesses, brands, and entrepreneurs all need content, but most of them struggle to produce it consistently. If you master AI-enhanced content creation, you can either 1. Build your own powerful personal brand, attracting opportunities and income streams. 2. Or offer content creation as a high-value service to clients, charging premium rates because you can deliver faster and better than traditional agencies. And let's not forget content. It doesn't just build audiences, it builds assets. A single video, blog, or podcast episode created with AI can generate leads, sales, and passive income for months or even years. Here's the mindset shift. Content is no longer optional. It's the currency of influence, and AI is your printing press. So how do you start? Begin with one platform. Use AI to brainstorm ideas, create drafts, and automate the parts you hate doing. As you build consistency, expand into other platforms and repurpose content with AI tools. Over time, you'll be everywhere without burning out. Remember, the future will not belong to those who post occasionally when inspiration strikes. The future will belong to those who show up consistently, with quality, across multiple channels. And the only way to do that without a huge team is to leverage AI. So, if you want to become rich in 2025, make AI-enhanced content creation one of your top skills. Because in the digital age, the people who control attention control opportunity. And with AI, you can control attention at scale. AI in sales and marketing. If there's one area where AI is creating the biggest shift, it's in sales and marketing. Why? Because sales and marketing are about understanding people, what they want, when they want it, and how to deliver it to them. And AI has the power to analyze human behavior at a level we've never seen before. Let's start with a simple truth. Every business in the world lives or dies by its ability to get customers. You can have the best product, the best service, or the best idea, but if you can't sell it, you don't survive. This is why AI in sales and marketing is not optional, it's essential. So, how does AI transform this space? 1. Personalization at scale. In the past, personalization was limited. A salesperson might remember your name, or a marketer might send you an email with your first name in it. Today, AI can personalize the entire customer journey. AI can recommend products based on your browsing habits. It can create custom email sequences tailored to your interests. It can show you ads that speak directly to your desires. This level of personalization makes customers feel understood. And when customers feel understood, they buy. 2. Predictive analytics. AI doesn't just look at what customers did yesterday. It predicts what they'll do tomorrow. Imagine knowing which leads are most likely to buy, which customers are about to leave, or which campaign will generate the highest ROI. That's what predictive AI does. And when you know where the money is likely to come from, you can focus your energy in the right place. 3. Smarter lead generation. In traditional sales, finding leads was like fishing with a net. Throw it wide and hope something sticks. With AI, it's like fishing with a laser-guided spear. AI can scan social media, analyze engagement, and identify prospects who match your ideal customer profile. Instead of wasting time on cold leads, you're talking to people already interested in what you offer. 4. Content and campaign optimization. Marketing has always been about testing. What headline works, what ad converts, what image grabs attention. AI can run these tests automatically and optimize campaigns in real time. It can write multiple ad variations, track performance, and shift budget instantly to what works best. This means higher conversions, lower costs, and faster results. 5. Sales assistance. AI isn't just working behind the scenes. It's also stepping into the sales conversation itself. AI-powered chatbots can answer questions 24/7, nurture leads, and even close simple sales. AI assistants can join live sales calls, analyze the conversation in real time, and give the salesperson cues like when to mention a case study or when to go for the close. This isn't about replacing salespeople, it's about supercharging them. A salesperson with AI is like a pilot with autopilot, still in control, but with massive support. Now, let's talk about the opportunity. Companies are desperate for people who understand AI in sales and marketing. If you can use AI to generate more leads, close more deals, and increase ROI, you are not just valuable, you're indispensable. As a freelancer, you can offer AI-powered marketing services. As an entrepreneur, you can scale your business faster than ever before. And as a professional, you can become the person in your company who drives revenue with AI, and that makes you recession proof. Here's the big mindset shift. Sales and marketing are no longer about guessing and hoping. They're about data, personalization, prediction, and automation. And AI gives you all of that. So, if you want to be rich in 2025, learn how to master AI in sales and marketing. Because the people who know how to attract customers with AI, engage them with AI, and close deals with AI will own the future of business. Remember, money follows attention, and attention follows relevance. With AI, you can be more relevant, more persuasive, and more effective than ever before. AI product development and no-code tools. One of the most exciting opportunities of our time is the ability to build and launch products faster than ever before, thanks to AI and no-code tools. In the past, if you wanted to create a digital product, an app, or even a business, you needed technical skills, a development team, and a big budget. Today, with AI and no-code, you can bring your ideas to life in weeks, or even days with little to no coding experience. Let's break this down. What is AI product development? AI product development means creating products and services that are either powered by AI or built with the help of AI. For example, an AI-powered chatbot that helps businesses with customer support, an AI-driven fitness app that gives personalized workout plans, or even an AI tool that helps students learn faster. These are not science fiction, they're real businesses being built right now, often by solo entrepreneurs or small teams. What are no-code tools? No-code tools are platforms that allow you to build apps, websites, and systems without writing traditional code. Tools like Bubble, Webflow, Zapier, and Glide make it possible for non-programmers to create professional-grade products. Add AI on top of that, and the possibilities multiply. Imagine this. You have an idea for an app that matches freelancers with clients using AI. 10 years ago, you'd need a team of developers and thousands of dollars. Today, you can connect AI API like OpenAI or Hugging Face with no-code platforms, design a simple interface, and launch a working product in days. This is why I call AI plus no-code the millionaire maker combo. Why is this important? Because wealth is created by solving problems. Every problem in the world is an opportunity for a product. But most people stop at the idea stage. They think, I don't know how to code, or I don't have money to hire developers. With AI and no code, those excuses disappear. Let me give you an example. There's a creator who built an AI resume generator using no-code tools. In just a few months, it went viral, attracted thousands of users, and started making serious money, all without a big team or big funding. That's the power of this skill. The future of entrepreneurship in 2025 and beyond. Entrepreneurship will not be limited to tech experts. Anyone who can identify a problem, design a solution using AI and no code, and launch it quickly can build wealth. The barriers have fallen. The only barrier now is creativity and execution. And here's the best part. AI doesn't just help you build the product. It helps you run the business. You can use AI for market research, customer support, marketing, and even product updates. It's like having a full-time co-founder who never sleeps. How do you get started? 1. Learn no-code platforms. Start with one tool like Bubble, Glide, or Webflow. Get comfortable building basic apps or websites. 2. Explore AI API. Experiment with tools like OpenAI, Midjourney, or Anthropic. Learn how to integrate them into your no-code projects. 3. Solve a real problem. Don't just build something cool. Focus on solving a pain point people are willing to pay for. 4. Launch quickly, don't wait for perfection. Build a minimum viable product MVP, release it, and improve based on feedback. The wealth opportunity, think about the internet boom. The people who learned how to build websites early on made fortunes. Today, AI and no code are the new internet boom. The people who act now, learn these tools, and start building will be the ones who become the next wave of millionaires. So here's the truth. In 2025, if you want to be rich, don't just consume AI tools, create with them. Don't just be a user, be a builder. The future belongs to creators who can turn ideas into products quickly, and AI plus no code makes that possible for anyone willing to learn. Remember, every problem is a business, and with AI and no code, you have the power to build the solution. Microphone conclusion, here's the bottom line. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to empower you. The people who treat AI as a threat will fall behind, but the people who treat it as a tool will move ahead faster than ever. Whether it's prompt engineering, automation, data literacy, content creation, or building products with no code, the future belongs to those who learn how to work with AI, not against it. In 2025 and beyond, wealth won't come to those who work the hardest. It will come to those who work the smartest. And the smartest thing you can do right now is master AI skills. Apply them in your field and use them to create real value. So, start today. Don't just watch the AI revolution. Become a part of it, because the future is not waiting, and neither should you.